Welcome, my name is Kush Rastogi and we are solving this ESE 2021 Electronics and Telecommunication question. So we have to find the equivalent resistance, and first I will tell you the short trick, then I will tell you the long method. So the short trick is that this method obviously consists of a 10 ohm resistor and a 3 ohm resistor is in parallel with it. Then all these resistors are in parallel with 3 ohm resistor. See, all this rest of the network is in parallel with the 3 ohm resistor. So this is A point, this is B point, and rest of the network is in parallel with this 3 ohm resistor. So I replace that network with a R equivalent or REQ. So when you find the parallel combination of a 3 and R equivalent resistance, then the whole equivalent of this 3 ohm and R equivalent will obviously be less than 3. The equivalent resistance of this, let's say it REQ dash, is equal to 3 in parallel with REQ. So this will obviously be less than 3. This value will obviously be less than 3. So the equivalent resistance of this network will be equal to 10 ohm plus a resistance which is less than 3, and that is in series with this 10 ohm resistor. So obviously the equivalent resistance will be RAB will be less than 13. So RAB will be a value which is less than 13, and in less than 13 we have only one option, which is the B option. Only B option is less than 13. So this was a very easy question. It will hardly take you 10 and 15 seconds if you solve it by this short trick. So option B is the correct option, which is 11.20 ohm. But this short trick will come only if you are in regular practice with such questions, because you can easily see that this is a 10 ohm resistor, this is a 3 ohm resistor, and this rest of the whole network, which I have labeled it by this circle, this is in parallel with this 3 ohm. So I replace it by R equivalent, and this is 3. So the combination, the equivalent resistance of combination of 3 and R equivalent will obviously be less than 3. So which we name it as R equivalent dash. So this network reduces to a resistance of 10 ohm in series with a resistance which is less than 3. So their equivalent will obviously be less than 13, and there was only one option which was less than 13. So this was the short trick. Using this short trick you can solve this network in less than 15 seconds, but only if you are in regular practice, then only you will get this trick. Now we can solve it by the long method as well. So the long method is like this. So this 3 ohm and this 6 ohm are in parallel. So I draw it like this. Then this 1 ohm is in series. So this is 1 ohm in series. Then this 12 ohm and 4 ohm are in parallel with this 1 ohm. So we draw it like this. So this is 4 and this is 12. Then this 6 ohm is again in parallel. So it will be parallel with 6. So this is 3 ohm, this is 6 ohm, this is 1 ohm, this is 4 ohm, this is 12 ohm, this is 6 ohm. So you can easily find their equivalent resistance. For example, the parallel of 12 and 6 is 12 into 6 upon 12 plus 6. So this will be equal to 4. So you can replace it by a single resistance of 4. So this will be 4. Then this 4 and 4 in parallel will give equivalent of 2. So you can replace it by equivalent of 2. Then this 2 is in series with 1, so you can replace it by a 3 ohm resistor. So this 3. Then this 3 and 6 are in parallel, so 6 into 3 upon 6 plus 3, which is 2. So you can replace it by a single resistor 2 ohm. Then 3 and 2 are in parallel, so 3 into 2 upon 3 plus 2. So this will be equivalent to 1.2. So replace it by a single resistor 1.2. So it becomes 1.2. Now 10 and 1.2 are in series, so their equivalent resistance will be 11.20 ohm. So this was the long method, but you can, if you use the short trick, then you can easily solve it in 15 or 20 seconds. And if you are using the long method, then it will require you 1 minute or about 1 minute. And there is chances of calculation mistakes also in when you are using long method. So you must practice such questions on regular basis, then only you will get the short trick, because in exam the click, if short trick clicks, then it is very good for you. So that clicking will happen only if we are in regular practice of such questions. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and best of luck.